AI can now guess what you're thinking. Not perfectly, not magically, but close enough to make people uncomfortable. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's real research happening right now in neuroscience labs around the world. And while no machine can read your thoughts word for word, artificial intelligence is getting surprisingly good at decoding what's happening inside the human brain. So how does this work? What can AI actually read? And should we be excited or worried? Let's break it down slowly. Your brain doesn't use words. It uses electricity. Every time you see an image, remember a face, imagine a sound, or think a thought, billions of neurons fire tiny electrical signals. These signals form patterns. And while those patterns feel invisible to us, modern technology can measure them. Scientists use tools like EEGs and fMRI scanners to record brain activity. An EEG measures electrical signals on the surface of the scalp. An fMRI measures changes in blood flow inside the brain. Neither one can hear your thoughts, but both can capture patterns linked to mental activity. For a long time, these brain scans were just noisy data, lines, waves, and colors that only experts could interpret. But that changed when artificial intelligence entered the picture. AI is extremely good at finding patterns in large amounts of data. When researchers combine brain scans with machine learning, they can train an AI system to recognize what certain brain patterns mean. Here's how it usually works. A person is placed inside a brain scanner. They're shown hundreds or even thousands of images, faces, objects, landscapes, letters. As the person looks at each image, their brain activity is recorded. The AI sees two things at the same time: the brain data and the image being viewed. Over time, the AI begins to learn the relationship between them. This pattern of brain activity often appears when the person sees a face. That different pattern shows up when they see text. Another one appears for landscapes. The AI isn't reading thoughts. It's learning correlations. Once trained, the AI can be given only the brain data, without the image, and asked to guess what the person is seeing. And in many experiments, it works. So here's the question. Would you trust AI with your thoughts? Would you see this as a medical miracle or a dangerous step forward? Share your opinion in the comments. And if you want more deep dives into the future of AI and technology, make sure to subscribe, because the next breakthrough might be happening sooner than you think.